Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning perspective text effect in CapCut, step by step and very easy to follow. So, let's get started. First, go to the Text tab and add a default text to your timeline, then change the default text to anything you like. Now choose any bold font style to make the effect look stronger and more cinematic. Next, adjust the scale value and position the text at the center of the screen. Once you're happy with it, select the text layer and create a compound clip. After that, go to Animation, then Combo, and find the animation called Flip 6. Apply it to the compound clip. I want to show 3 different texts in this effect, so I duplicated the compound clip 2 more times. Now hide the top 2 compound clips and work with the first one. Play the animation and find the exact frame that looks best to you. When you find the perfect frame, click on Freeze Frame. But sometimes when you freeze it, the text returns to its default format. To fix this issue, here's a simple trick. Go back before creating the freeze frame. Select the compound clip and create another compound clip again. Now find your desired frame and click Freeze Frame. This time it will work perfectly. After freezing, remove the beginning and ending parts of the clip. Keep only the freeze frame. Now hide the first compound clip and unhide the second one. Change the text. Find the exact frame you like and freeze it the same way. Again, delete the extra parts and keep only the freeze frame. Repeat the same process for the third compound clip. Once all 3 freeze frames are ready, unhide all the compound clips and adjust their positions properly. If you want, you can increase the scale value to make the text more impactful. I've also adjusted the starting point of each clip slightly to create a smooth delay effect. After everything looks good, select all the compound clips and create one more compound clip to keep everything organized. To give it a cinematic look, I changed the blend mode to overlay. If you don't like the blend mode effect, you can simply adjust the opacity to achieve a softer cinematic feel. And that's it. Your perspective text effect is ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.